He's about to send a shock to your system. Black Lightning is here. We're married to the real, reacting is crystal clear. It's about to be hype. Hell yeah!
What's going on, realist? It's Trey.
And it's Tasha.
Married to the real, where we always keep it real. Black Lightning. Season 3, Episode 1.
The Book of Occupation, Chapter 1. Birth of Blackbird. These long ass titles.
I know, right? Shit, about that long, man. I'm talking about from end, right the end to end.
I am excited that because I can't hear myself. It's weird. I am excited that Black Lightning is back. I want this show to win, y'all. So I'm hoping it gets a fresh start, like all the other shows I'm seeing that's coming back on. Seem like they got fresh starts. So it's gonna be interesting to see. Cause y'all know I love my Jeff and my Lynn, the kids. We gotta get these checks. We gotta get these checks, okay? So our full reaction to this and other CW shows will be on Patreon.
Damn right.
And we gonna get into this greatness, cause I know it's great, right? I know it's great.
Black Lightning, baby. Oh, bitch!
Okay. This how we doing the comic book style?
Okay now.
I like that.
Okay now.
Name.
Oh.
Mariam Lokman. Date of birth.
April 16th, 2004.
Confirm.
Most of the kids there were white, so everything about me stood out. Kids learn about Muslims on social media and the news, and they make comments. Is that a bomb in your backpack? They filled my locker with pork ribs, and they would call me names like Bacon Slice.
Trash ass kids, man.
Anyway.
Name.
You know my name.
Oh.
Name.
Devontae Jones.
Date of birth.
What is this?
June 28th, 1992. You gotta be. Yo, when y'all gonna let me out of here, man?
Name.
Jefferson Pierce.
Jefferson Pierce.
Date of birth.
September 12th.
1970. Oh, guys, like it's 1970 something.
Confirm.
What the hell?
Please return to your niche, and you will be emancipated.
What are they doing? 31 days complete.
It's been precisely 37 days since the children escaped from their pods, and most of them have not been located.
This right here is an abomination. It really is.
Oh, shit.
Bruh, he turned them bitches back around.
Oh, damn.
Who is this?
Ned?
Oh, what the hell? Man. Did he? Did he steal his powers or something? Or did I, like, am I misreading this situation? What happened to the knife?
I wouldn't be in school. Calm your ass down, little girl.
What is happening to her? Got too much energy and Jeff ain't that siphon it out.
You know those children aren't getting out of that place anytime soon. Well, maybe you guys are used to seeing this kind of stuff, but I'm not. That was a war zone back there.
Of course not.
Stop the van. Betty, wait. I'm not gonna be a part of this. It's wrong. Anissa, it's wrong. That thing attacked the facility for a reason, and these idiots, including this bitch, sitting...
Oh! She said that with all the flair in her neck. This bitch.
What happened to their parents?
Bitch. If she had spit in her mouth, all that would have hit the camera. That bitch.
The door is open if you want to follow her.
Fuck you! Just gonna keep talking about crisis.
Were you with them?
With them? Who the fuck is them?
News conference.
The Markovians.
Well, I know who they are. I'm saying, like, Tip, he need to say who the fuck is them. And they got terror, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like...
Just pop one in the back of their heads while they going out, take the bodies to the garbage, burn them, you know what I'm saying? Nobody gonna miss.
Okay. We coming on strong, and I am really turned on. Like, I am, like, excited right now. Like, this is the Black Lightning I need right here. Like, we got conflict.
It's ignorant, bro. Like, where is this going? First episode, we already people in collars and shit.
Damn. Can't wait to see him in Crisis.
Oh.
Hold on.
Girl, where you been these 31 days?
Wait, what are you doing? They're watching.
I don't care.
Whoa, girl. Hold on now, Lynn. Girl.
I missed you too.
He said they watch his time.
Well, you gotta get out of this suit, don't you?
Yes.
So then let me help.
Cause I don't want his hair, girl. You better cut that shit out, Lynn. What the fuck? What the fuck? How is he sitting there with his legs just crossed up, bro?
Commander Carson Williams
Called the meta by his real name, Ned Cregan. All of it was crazy.
I gotta go, Anissa. I may have found a weakness in the ASA's perimeter. Talk soon.
Bro, they got a perimeter around the town?
This shit is nuts.
This shit.
Like, this shit is great. Like, this is... I need that intensity year round. Like, I know other episodes ago fluctuate, you know what I'm saying? From you gonna have your great episodes, your exceptional episodes, your epic episodes, and your not so good episodes. I understand it. I expect it. But keep on this palette. You know what I'm saying? Keep us on our toes, baby. What's going on? What's gonna happen? You know what I'm saying? What's next? Are they ever gonna find out about Khalil?
I'm sure they will.
Like y'all, some of y'all like, oh shit, I forgot. I don't forget, baby. This is me. I need to know.
I just want to know if Tobias is in the same facility as them.
Oh
Or
shit.
is he somewhere else? Like, is this the whole pit place or is this something else?
Shonda, what's up? Play tracker.
Shonda, she got a black Alexa. I'm tired.
Shonda.
She got a black Alexa.
You know what I'm saying?
Shonda.
I don't know, man. I think this is another form of Gideon. I like, you know what I'm saying? Shonda. Oh, whoa.
Mirror, mirror. Of course.
Not mirror. Of course, they gotta have her cheeks out. Blackbird away.
Make that show.
Out here looking like a fucking Mortal Kombat character with that mask on. Fatality.
It's good to see you.
Oh, are them the bus folks?
You're a celebrity now, young lady.
Everybody's a celebrity nowadays, Rev.
That good might be nosy. You got these bus folks up here. She trying to get a story. I would have waited till she left.
We'll get them through and across soon.
It's gotta be soon. Room's getting crowded.
Now we look at a meta railroad now.
And a room full of scared metal children ain't a good combination.
I hear you.
Goddamn meta railroad.
We out here. I am with it. Y'all keep going.
And this will be having the best scenes.
I know, right? Like, I ain't mad at the
Show
spin
her
off.
ass and then show her ass. Why are you looking like that?
Y'all, I'm gonna say this to you. If you start a channel with somebody, make sure you get the right fucking partner. I have the best partner ever. I'm sorry. If you gonna start one and you gonna have a partner, all I'm saying, if your partner don't enhance or bring nothing to the table,
enhance the flavor.
You know you can cook, ain't you, girl?
I could do a lot. Can he see through the floor? That's what I know. Gonna get the cheeks and then that's it.
This is what we do. I'm gonna walk with the walk. I like that outfit he got on there. Look. Oh,
yeah, that was about
shit.
Please, step in.
I wonder is that like because he been there the 30 days with the thing on, like
yeah, this power's been neutralized and they just, you know what I'm saying? Now they amplified.
Because you would think with a place like that and all the electricity, like maybe he could just see through, or could depending on what it's made out of. That's neat though if he could do that now.
The new powers being unlocked, so we gonna get the black lightning. Ah, shit!
What's your name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I guess if there's a bright side to all these police.
So what's your name?
This Jen.
At least we can walk the streets without worrying about the 100.
There is that, but
is this Jen?
Can I pick you up one day?
How? Because she had powers like Jen. Did you remember when she was in there throwing that stuff and her name just happened to be Jennifer too? And then now Anissa gotta go get her. This girl out here. That's just. Gabby got all the tricks. They got the shit from the Flash where you can change how you look.
Oh my god!
What's wrong with you?
I knew it.
Uncle Gamby did not make that cloaking device so you could be running the streets.
Look out for one
experiments they did on me. Must have opened the door in me some kind of way.
Well, you've always been able to see through.
Yeah, but not without the suit. Gamby's tech was always interfacing with my powers.
But now
this vision comes from within.
He gonna be better.
Oh, shit.
This is what I call character development. Him being able to use his powers without the suit.
The suit might make it even better.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like he's gonna make it.
Issa?
Oh, he looked fine.
Was always meant to be a scapegoat. Proctor was working directly under orders from Odell, who received his orders from POTUS. Odell was sent to Freeland to follow 3 orders. Obtain all meta subjects, turn the metas into weapons, and clean the Freeland project of anything and anyone who could link POTUS to the program.
Wow. That little boy know that shit now though. I don't like that. He might disappear.
The truth is so rare.
I wish the Black Lightning was watching
and
this
so dangerous
from up there.
Thought you came to kill me.
You already did.
I did.
With food.
Big what?
Stand down.
What the fuck? That was getting. So Gammy, you can't open the field again, so we can go get. You know what I'm saying?
It took days to open though. Remember?
That's true. That's true.
Like he did something to it, but it took days for it to work. So
it did. So now all we have is Jennifer out here. Oh my god.
That's probably why.
Anissa Galt. JP and Lynn locked up.
She needs to use her powers. I guess she can't though, cause like she got lightning powers too. Like I wonder, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't know.
Not the right move, Jen. Jen!
What?
The Markovians are hunting down any metas they can get their hands on.
Uncle Gamby, you saw them blow Anissa through that hole. She could be dead.
She could be. She could be. But we just have to wait. Do this the right way so we don't endanger her, you, or your parents.
What's awesome?
Bullshit, better watch your food.
When I left
Forgot all about this.
this time I'm gone for good.
Oh, did y'all hear that music though?
They not playing though with the shenanigans.
He said, why does it sound like a cuss word coming out your mouth?
Whip his ass. He can steal people's powers though. I hate folks like that, and then he doing the shit for the wrong reasons. Bitch, you a meta too.
I know,
like,
right?
Bitch, soon as they tired of your ass, you gonna be right on the other side with them.
I don't get why people don't understand that, bro.
Like they only using you because of what you could do. If you weren't any use to them anymore, you gonna be over there with a collar on your neck too. Damn. This shit is wild.
Man.
They ain't have to kill Easter though.
Yeah.
Well, he said that shit about the president and all that. I already knew he was dead because I'm like, you the only one that heard it, you know, like. So.
That's fucked up.
So is Tobias gonna like low key like even though we hate him, is he gonna like switch to our team?
No,
I'm saying
what he's
gonna
probably,
though, you know, like
listen, he's gonna do what he needs to do to survive. That's the way the bad guy works. Like he's gonna do what he
I ain't
has to do.
saying coming to our side, period. Like I already know that ain't happening, but I'm saying to get out this situation.
Oh yeah,
he died in old age. He ain't got his serum or whatever. But he the only one who know what's really going on.
See his goddamn eyebrows looking like shit. Like, them shits were out there, bro. They really put them together. Pull them together.
This was a good episode. I'm happy that y'all came back like this. Like this was how it should have been coming back. Like you got action, we got all this shit going on. Like it's just war this season. We ain't got no time to lollygag, you know.
Yeah.
My boy Jeff got his powers all in hands while he ain't got the suit on. So
we can only imagine what's gonna happen by the end of this season.
They let him walk around without his collar on though. So I wonder could he really get out of there if he wanted to?
He probably could. But hey, let me know how many episodes does this season have? If y'all know how many episodes have been ordered for this season? Is it 20? I mean, that's a good round number. I like that. I mean,
I'm here for it though.
But I know Lynn probably gonna try to examine Issa body, so
it depends. I don't know. They might not let her because I mean they know what she was finding. So
exactly, but she gonna be trying to. She
gonna go have a
it.
conversation with Jeff, and Jeff gonna be like, "But he was fine." So something happened, like, cause he lied, like they dropped him off like that, like he was barely. Cause like, why wouldn't you go get her to fix him up when you saying you need all the medals you can get? Like that shit don't add up.
Exactly.
But we'll see how it all pan out.
No. Hey y'all,
that old bitch, like that lady said earlier, he gonna die a fiery death. Old bitch. Yeah, she said that was old.
That shit.
This old bitch.
Hey, yo, full reactions on Patreon.
I'm impressed today, guys. I'm impressed. I can only imagine what the Flash gonna deliver to my bitch, cause all these premieres have been like a little on fire so far. Man. So. And we gonna end the week with the Flash.
When the Flash come with that fire tomorrow, next Tuesday, when Arrow premiere, bitch, get ready. But look, we gonna get out of here. I can't wait to see what they do with Black Lightning for the crossover.
That's gonna be interesting, yeah.
I really want to see how they gonna bring him over.
Yeah, until then, I mean, but I don't know. I'm just gonna wait and be impressed.
Hey, look. Y'all stay up, stay real. Great season premiere. Hey, if we keep on this track, season 3 might be the best season. A whole war with medals. I can't wait to see it. Thank y'all again, Black Lightning. Hey, thank y'all again.
Yes.
It's Trey.
And it's Tasha.
Married to the real. But we always keep it real. Y'all stay real.
You already watched, so you might as well subscribe. Please.